What's up, guys? What's going on? Hope you're good. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, this is Kingsley Festival right here. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a strategy that's going to blow your mind. I've been off not posting videos for a while now. That means I have a lot of good things for you guys this time around. So this one is going to be one of the things you are going to be enjoying. Okay, so but before I proceed with this video, if you are not in my Telegram group, you are missing something. So most of the trade, just like some of them I took recently, I dropped almost all my trade in the Telegram group for free. So you can actually go to the Telegram, the link will be in the description of this video, join and enjoy free signals, right? So having said that, we go into the video. All right, so this is a simple strategy, which is a breakout strategy, right? So in this breakout strategy, we are going to be using 75, but you can actually trade it on anything, any indices and even currency pairs. But I'm going to be using VS75 for this. Okay, so the breakout strategy is simple. What you are going to be looking out for is, first, number one is we need a key level. Then number two is that we want a breakout. Number three is that we want a momentum candlestick, and number four is that we need a retest. So the key level, we are going to be identifying a key level on 4 hours time frame. Okay, we are going to be identifying the key level on 4 hours time frame. We are going to be looking for the breakout on 1 hour time frame, and we are going to be looking for momentum candlestick on 1 hour time frame, and maybe make entry on 15 minutes time frame. That's where we are going to be waiting for a retest. Okay, so towards the ending of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a bonus on how to actually make multiple entries using this particular strategy. So how do we make or use this strategy, combining these four things together to make sure that we make a better entry, or we have a quality trade. All right, so let's go and see how to do this. All right, so if you look right here, this is 15 minutes time frame, this is VS75. So I'll simply go up to 4 hours. Based on our rules, we are going to be looking for 4 hours time frame. So that is the key level on 4 hours time frame. So let me just give you an instance for let's say we are using anything here. So if you look at here, we have a level, we have a level here, we have a level here, we also have a level here. So you can see that the price have respected this zone for few times. So all right, just not just one or two or three. So this is actually a key level. Okay, a zone which you have to pay close attention to. So let's say that the price come here, bounce, come here, bounce, come here. So at this point, the price have tested 1 2 3. So you have 1 2 3 touches at this zone. So what you are going to be waiting for is that you are waiting for the price not just to bounce it so that you sell, but you're waiting for the price to break above here so that you buy, right? So how do you do this? Let me just simply pick these two, and I will mark out this key level right here. Okay, so this is basically the key level. So now you have your key level marked in on this is 4 hours time frame. Okay, so when you mark this key level on 4 hours time frame, you go to 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, what you're going to be looking for, let me zoom out a bit. So you have this level, right? We have our level also showing on 1 hour time frame. So what you're going to be looking for is a breakout. Okay, now look at the mistake people make. So if you look right here, you see that something people might have entered trade here thinking this is a breakout. So guys, you need to understand this. You need to be very careful and be patient and know what breakout is all about. Okay, before you start making entry. Before you start making entry, make sure you know what breakout is all about. So you want to see a bullish candle clearly close above our zone. Okay, clearly closed above. So if you look right here, this particular candle actually closed above. Okay, this candle here, I want to mark it. This bullish candle here closed above our level. But are we making entry there? The answer is no.
because we are looking at the number 3 condition, which is momentum candlestick. You need to see a momentum candle. And what is a momentum candle? You want a candlestick that actually closes, the move is high and it closes without a lot of wicks, maybe a little wick or no wick. You can see that the candle is the maybe the buyer at that point, they are in control of the market. They are in control of the market, right? So that is exactly what momentum candlestick is. Let me just show you what it looked like this place. This is a momentum candle, this is a momentum candle, this is a momentum candle, this is a bearish momentum candle, this is a bearish momentum candle, this one also is okay. So that's exactly what you are going to be looking out for on uh after the closing. You want a momentum candlestick to break, okay? You want the momentum candle to be the breakout candlestick. And if you look right here, we had this close, this particular one closing above this uh zone with a momentum candle. So once you see this, all you need to do again now is to simply wait for a clear breakout. Now that you have your signal that this particular momentum candle have closed above it, okay, then go down to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, you go down to 15 minutes time frame, and this is the point you start looking for entries. This is the point you start looking for entries. So which entry are you looking for? You want to see the price push back to your zone, okay, with a pattern. You want the price to push back to this zone, retest this zone with a pattern on 15 minutes time frame, just like what I put in. You have the channel right here, and you wait for a breakout from channel, and this one is so perfect that price breakout and give you a little bit of retesting here. Then this is the point you are going to be buying at this zone. You are going to be buying at this zone. Your stop loss is just below the level, okay, below the level. I don't know whether this is clear, so I'm going to quickly give you another example because I don't want to make this video too long. So let me just scroll back and see if you can get any other zone. Okay, so let's use this zone again as an example. So you can see the price, there's a kind of, here is a key level. The price keep respecting this zone for a very long time. So all you need to do is to pick your horizontal line or this shape and draw in your this thing right here. Okay, so now when you have something like this, okay, you can see that the price, this is 4 hours time frame. Okay, so you now go down to 1 hour and start looking for where there is a breakout. Okay, so this is the retesting. This is where the price have been retesting for a very long time, which is the key level we are talking about. But this is the breakout zone. Okay, so now what actually happened here? So if you look right here, you still have that momentum candle. So we have identified the key level on 4 hours time frame. We are now seeing breakout on 1 hour, and we also identifying momentum candlestick at that zone. Okay, so now that we have momentum candlestick that closes below, that's what we are looking for. So you shouldn't be looking for a breakout with weak candles, in the sense that you are seeing those small candles. The price might be ranging at that zone. It could be a reversal sign. Okay, weakness in candlestick could is a signal for reversal. So you needed a momentum candlestick to break any key level. That's exactly what you need. You need to see the buying power or the selling power before you start thinking of making entry. Now we have the momentum candlestick closes above our support level, which is break the key level. All I have to do now is to switch down to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, but before then, let me pick uh, a line, maybe a vertical line. Okay, and place right here. That's the candlestick, the momentum candlestick we have seen. So we go down to 15 minutes time, and just for you to know exactly where you are focusing on. Okay, look at the one I'm looking at. So this is exactly where the breakouts happen. Okay, the breakout happened right here. So this is the place we identify our momentum candlestick, which is this particular zone. This is the momentum candlestick that closes below. On 15 minutes time frame, we are going to get a retest right here. Okay, you can see the price actually retested to the upside, so you'll be able to sell at this zone. Okay, so you just want to see a key level. Okay, that's the first thing. After observing a key level, you simply look for go down, because you are going to do this on 4 hours time frame. Okay, so once you are done on 4 hours time frame, you look for a breakout on 1 hour time frame, and you must make sure that the breakout is happening. That's number 3. The third rule is that you must make sure that the breakout is happening with a momentum candlestick. So once it happened, you then go down to 15 minutes time frame and look for entry. Okay, by either making entry at retest, and the last, which is the bonus tip I'm going to give you now, is you must not wait for retest before you make entry, because most time the price might not retest. So what you simply need to do now is, first, let me just share this. Okay, remember, if you want to enjoy free signal, my Telegram group will be in the description of this video, free of charge. You just join the group and enjoy. So now, most time you might not get this kind of retest you are seeing right here. You might not get this retest here. Okay, so if you did not get it, or you did not get this kind of retest also with a channel, the price can just keep going up without retesting. So what you need to do is that you are going to, let's say if you want to make entry, now you are going to use risk management to follow this. If you are going to make entry with, let's say you want to make entry with 0.5, okay, on VS75, okay, then all you need to do is to simply wait for the price to close below the key level with a momentum candle, which is on 1 hour time frame. So once you see that, if your plan is to make entry with 0.5, you simply make the first entry with 0.2, right? If the price keep pushing to the upside without retesting, at least you're already on a trade and you're going to make some percentage, right? Then if the price decided to push in profit and return to retest the zone like this one, you are now going to be making entry with 0.3 here. So when you plus this, you are still going to get your 0.5, which is the plan, right? So this is exactly how I do this. So you don't just wait all the time for the price to break and retest. Sometimes the price will break out and keep going to the upside. So all you need to do is to make your first entry with a lower lot size, okay? Then wait for the retest. If the retest happen, you make entry with the second lot size, and enjoy. But if the price is not retest, you are not missing out. You still have a trade running. That's exactly how to take or trade this strategy. I hope this is helpful. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, or you are just a viewer who is not a subscriber. I think it's time you subscribe and enjoy more premium contents, okay, so that you will not miss out in any content I'll be dropping soon. Yes, I'm back and I'm ready for you guys, dropping content back to back. So stay tuned and enjoy. Bye for now, guys.